Hi, welcome to Yoga and You. I'm Sanjana Prasad. We hear a lot of people complaining about gastric issues these days. What we eat, how much we eat, what time we eat, our sleep and our stress levels. All these factors affect our health. In addition to addressing these habits and aligning them and finding what is suitable for you, having a holistic yoga practice, the postures that we're going to practice today will help you find some relief from your discomfort. Let's get started. We're going to start our practice today in child's pose or balasana. So go ahead and open your knees mat width apart. Reach your fingertips forward, and as you exhale, sink your chest and forehead down towards the mat. Now, if you find this difficult, you can also use a cushion underneath your hips and also a bolster or a pillow in front of you, so you can completely rest your head and relax here. Every exhalation, allow your chest and forehead to go closer to the floor. Bring awareness to your belly pressing against your thighs. Five deep breaths here, focusing on long exhalations. Two more breaths. Lengthen your spine, compression around your navel. Following inhalation, very gently walk your palms back and you're going to come into Vajrasana. Your knees together, hips resting on your heels. Once again, you can use a cushion underneath your hips and also roll up your mat to provide some support for your knees. Place your palms on your thighs, sit nice and tall, shoulders relaxed, neck neutral. This is a great posture for your legs, definitely, for the knees, your hips, the entire spine to keep it nice and long, and extremely good for digestion. You can practice this after your meals as well. Stay here and breathe. These are common postures, simple postures. You make them very, very effective by utilizing your breath. Focus on long exhalations throughout. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Following inhalation, lift your arms up from the sides, interlock your fingers above the head, give yourself a big, nice stretch. Exhale here. Next inhale, slowly come up on your knees. As you exhale, simultaneously bend your elbows and sit back into Vajrasana. Inhale and coming up. Exhale, down. You can do this 3 to 5 times. Inhale up. Exhale, down. Inhale up. This time as you exhale, release your hands and come back into Vajrasana. Take your arms behind you. You can either interlock your fingers or hold the opposite elbows. Whatever is comfortable for you, whatever is accessible, be comfortable. Take a nice inhale here. Open your chest. As you exhale, lengthen forward. Allow your belly to reach your thighs. Drop your head down. Inhale and slowly come up. Exhale, down. Inhale, come up. This last time we're going to stay there and breathe. Exhale, down. Once again, focus on long exhalations here. 5 breaths. Every exhale, keep drawing your navel in towards the spine. You notice when you do that, you're able to lengthen forward more. Belly rests further into your thighs. Following inhale, slowly lift your chest up. Come back up to a neutral spine and release your hands. You're going to sit to one side from here and extend both your legs forward. Now, keeping your legs forward might cause you to round your lower back. In this case, you want to bend your knees, keep the toes lifted up, heels are resting on the mat, and try and lift up from the lower back. Dandasana, place your palms on either side of your hips, shoulders rolled back. On your next inhale, lift your arms forward and up. Exhale, lengthen forward. Again, belly reaching for the thighs. See if you can hold on to the big toes. If you're very comfortable, you can even hold the top of the feet. If this is really comfortable for you, start sliding your heels forward and go a little deeper into your Paschimottanasana. Breathe. Avoid rounding the back. Find extension so that your belly reaches your thigh. This contact is important and you want to focus again on long exhalations. Inhale and lift your arms up. As you exhale, bend only your right knee. Take an inhale here. Exhale, take the right palm behind you. Use your left hand to hug the left knee into the chest. Continue to exhale and deepen your twist. The hand behind you is just for support. You're not leaning back completely. Stay on the fingertips. Lengthen up. Hug the knee close. Vakrasana. Stay here. Again, long exhalations. Inhale, untwist. Lift your arms up, come back to center. Stretch your right leg forward again into Dandasana. Exhale, lengthen forward, go back into Paschimottanasana. Choose a grip that is comfortable for you. Long spine, neck neutral. Breathe. Awareness to your navel. Inhale, lengthen and come up. Exhale, bend your left knee. Take one more inhale here. On your exhalation, draw your navel in as much as you can. Try and twist as deep as possible so that you're able to hug the knee close in towards your belly, taking the other hand behind you. Opposite leg remains active, don't let it drop to one side. Lift up through the lower back, exhale, twist, stay here and breathe. Forward folds and twists naturally provide a nice massage to your abdomen. Combined with the breath, we reap maximum benefits from these postures. Inhale and slowly come back to center. Exhale here. Next inhale, straighten out the leg. Take one more inhalation. Exhale and bring your palms down. You're going to slowly slide down on the mat. Lie down on your back. And if you're comfortable, stretch both legs forward. If not, you can do this with one knee bent as well. Choose what's comfortable for you. Ekapada Apanasana. On your next exhalation, bend your right knee, hug the right knee into the chest. Inhale and straighten the leg out. When you're doing this, keep a neutral pelvis. Make sure your pelvis isn't arching and going towards the floor too much. Stabilize the pelvis. Exhale, hug the right knee into the chest. Inhale. One more. Exhale. Now you're going to keep the right knee in towards the chest. Exhale, lift your forehead up towards the knee. Inhale, down. Exhale, lift up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Following exhale, use your left hand and slowly drop the knee towards your left side, extending the right arm to shoulder level on your right. Turn and look at your right fingertips. Nice deep twist here. Stay here and breathe. If your knee doesn't reach the floor, it's okay. Make sure the shoulder isn't peeling off the mat. Relax the shoulders to the floor. Draw your navel in to make space for the twist. Inhale and slowly come back to center. Hug the knee into the chest. Following inhalation, straighten the right leg out. Exhale, hug the left knee in towards the chest. Inhale, slow controlled movement. You're going to stretch it out without allowing the back to collapse. Exhale, hug the knee in. Inhale. Exhale, hug the knee in. Stay here. The opposite leg is active on the mat. Following exhale, lift your forehead up towards the knee. Inhale, down. Exhale and up. Inhale, down. One more. Exhale and up. Inhale, down. Following exhalation, let's get into the supine twist, dropping the knee towards the right side. Extend the left arm to your left side at shoulder level. Keep twisting. Stay there and breathe. 3 to 5 breaths here. Focus on your exhale. Inhale and slowly come back to center. Now you're going to keep the left knee in close to the chest. Bring your right knee also in for Apanasana. We're going to do a simple dynamic Apanasana. Inhale, you straighten your elbows, let the knees go away from you. Exhale and bring it back in. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. This is also very relaxing for the back. You can do it 5 to 10 times. Focus on long exhale. Now keep the knees close to your chest. See if you can wrap your elbows around your knees. So you're giving yourself a nice tight hug here. Stay here and breathe. Once you're done with 3 to 5 breaths, exhale. See if you can lift your forehead up towards the knee. Inhale, come down, Pavana Muktasana. Exhale, lift up. Inhale, down. If holding the elbows is too difficult, you can just use your palms. Exhale, lift up, stay here. Relax the shoulders, make sure you're not tensing the neck. Inhale, slowly bring your feet down to the mat and relax. The last one that we're going to do today is shoulder stand or Sarvangasana. If you're unable to do it on the mat, you can always take support of a wall or chair and lift your hips up and then lift the legs off. If you're comfortable on the mat, let's begin. Straighten out your legs first. Make sure the lower abdomen is drawn in. On your following exhale, lift the legs up. Inhale and lift the hips up and start to support the lower back. And don't stop here. Work on getting your elbows closer to each other, lifting your hips up in line with your shoulders, ankles in line with the hips. Stay here and breathe. Inversions are great to soothe the nervous system, which will also help with all other health issues. You want to hold this for a minimum of 2 minutes. You can also take support and hold this. Once you're done, exhale and take your legs back into Halasana, plow pose. If you notice, this is an inverted version of your Paschimottanasana. If you're comfortable, interlace the fingers, drop your forearms on the mat. Instead of allowing the hips to go forward, keep them in line with the shoulders. Eight to 10 breaths here. If very comfortable, deepen your forward fold,
by dropping the knees on either side of your ears. Long exhales. Inhale, stretch the leg back. Very gradually release your hands, vertebra by vertebra. Control through your abdomen, keeping the knees straight. Come down very gently. Bring your feet all the way down to the mat without arching the back. As a counter pose, you're going to come up on your forearms and elbows. Look at your feet. Roll your shoulders back. Inhale and drop the crown of the head on the mat. Keep sending the chest up. If you hold the inversion for longer, say 3 to 5 minutes, accordingly adjust the counter pose as well. Hold it for longer if you need to. Exhale and lift your head up. Look at your feet. Inhale and slowly release. Lie down. Bring yourself back onto the mat. Keep your feet apart, arms away from the body, eyes closed, and relax in Shavasana. So these were some of the postures that you can add to your practice to help you with your discomfort. If you notice these postures, you are already practicing them or have practiced them before, but what makes it different is the breath. Try and focus on long exhalation and hold the postures for longer to actually reap their benefits. I really hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.